Today I'm taking you inside our RV and sharing tips we've picked up to help keep this small space organized. One tip is to nest things whenever possible, meaning use bowls that will fit inside each other so they only take up the space of one bowl. Measuring cups are a great example of nesting. There are also bowls that you can buy that collapse and they fold down into a flat circle. I just didn't want to spend extra money, so I went with the nesting method. Cupboard organizers such as these stacking shelves will help if you have a big cupboard. And if you look, this is a container of Pam. It's a large one and there's still a lot of unused space between that. So by utilizing stacking shelves, I can utilize more space. Consider extra rods in places you might not normally find them, like spring tension rods. This is just a lightweight rod that was attached just kind of like in a closet. We can hang towels over that. We can hang wet swimsuits over that, anything that we want to drip down into the shower. You could also add multiple spring tension rods in your closets. So there's one in there, but if I wanted to add another one that I could maybe hang pants over or shorter shirts. Look for hidden compartments that you might not normally utilize. For us, that's under the dinette seats. Let me show you. When you remove the cushions, you can just open this up and we have all kinds of space. We keep my husband's fishing gear, our workout equipment in here, and the other side has the same thing where I store like my air fryer and my Dutch ovens. My number one tip is to take some advice from Marie Kondo and keep things organized that relate to each other. So for example, here in our game cabinet, we have all of our games. In the cabinet next to it are all of our books. And in here, this little organizer holds all of our things like dice, pens, pencils, tape, duct tape, scissors, all those kinds of things. And then small card games go up in here, so they're not moving around as we travel down the road. At the end of every RV season, we empty our RV, and then I go through everything and I either donate or trash the things that we haven't used all season. So that way we don't get overly cluttered. And it makes it easier to load everything back in next season. I'm not loading back in unnecessary things. In the comments, let me know your favorite organization tip for a small space. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.